Hey guys, now I'm going to show you another bed yoga routine, and this one's going to be on your stomach. So something you can do if you're having a stomach ache. It's always good to lay on your stomach, or just if you're really tired and want to relax, but this is something that you can do while you're laying there to stretch yourself out and get yourself relaxed and ready for bed. So follow along, enjoy. Okay, so laying on your stomach, you can start with your feet extended and just make a pillow with your hands and turn your head to one side and just breathe into your belly. So inhaling deeply, expand your belly, and exhale. Let all the tension melt away from your body, and do about 5 like that. Just inhaling deeply, expanding your belly, and exhaling. Let all the tension melt away. And then, coming up on your forearms, this is called Sphinx pose. So forearms flat, and press into the bed, and lift your chest away from the bed, and drop your shoulders down and away from your ears, so it starts to stretch out your back a little bit. And just take a few breaths like this. This is for people with really unflexible back. And if you can go a little bit more, you can extend your arms straight and come into more of a cobra position, and you can even bend your knees, and this will intensify the stretch. So I'll turn like this. And you can lift your chest even more, lift your head, arch back, and lower down, and do like 3 like that. So staying in Sphinx, or coming into cobra, or arching back. And lower down. One more time. Inhale up. And exhale down. Then you can reach down, reach back for both feet, and just pull your feet in towards your glutes. And if it's available, if you feel ready for it, see if you can lift your chest and lift your feet up towards the sky. And take a few breaths like this. You can do the rocking horse. And this gives you a little bit of a back bend, also strengthens your back, and a massage on your belly. And slowly lower down. Good. And if you want, you can cross your ankles and try to do it this way. So reach for opposite ankle and come up like that with the ankles crossed. And you're going to feel your shoulders really stretching out. Take a few breaths. And come back down and switch sides. So you always want to do both sides. Reach for your ankles, hold on tight. Inhale, lift your chest. Take a few breaths. And slowly release. Make a pillow with your hands. Turn your head to one side and take a break. Have a beautiful day.